Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, so we talked yesterday about resistance at the daily mid-band, resistance at the 50. They pushed it down yesterday. I actually put some charts out. We're going to do some more. We're going to do more of that now that we're heading into the fall. And frankly, I've got more time. We had tight compression Bollinger Bands on the hourly. You had resistance at the daily mid-band on the daily. That let us get into a nice little expansion to the downside trade. We were in a couple shorts yesterday. We actually got long in the middle of that. Ended up being about a 31 handle day for the room. Got the week in good shape after being slightly red on Monday, which is our 9th red day of 2019. So, once a month or whatever, it's fine. So as we head into today, we're kind of back to having the same discussion. I mean, I feel kind of like a broken record. 50-day. Daily mid-band. Same resistance area that we had earlier this month. We have now. So you've had twin looks at 32.25 on August 19th and August 20th. They've got to get above there. They have got to establish the daily mid-band as support if they want to go challenge 44 and then the 61 high. What do the bears want to do? They want to hold 32 quarter. They want to hold the 50. They want to hold the daily mid-band. And they got to figure out a way to sustainably trade below 2,900. They had a real opportunity yesterday, and it's kind of slipped through their fingers once again. And it really feels like that without a news catalyst that can run, the downside really isn't all that sustainable, which is not surprising. That's kind of been the MO for the last, the better part of the last 10 years. Going on 12 years, actually. I've been doing this a long time. You see the weekly pivot down there. You got a potential higher low. They weren't really interested in trading below it. So for the open today, I'm pretty focused on yesterday's opening print in the regular session, which is 29.1875. You have the 5-minute mid-band and our proprietary moving average jammed right up into that area at 19. There was some China news that was very two-sided maybe 10 minutes ago. I want to see how we open relative to 19. Volume weighted average price is way down at 13. It has a chance to do some directional follow-through, either as a lower high here to the downside for a tested weekly pivot, or just keep on going. You had your compression, you had your expansion, you had your high, you had your potential higher low versus the daily lower band test, and the lower low here, the 77.75 all week ago Thursday. If it can get up above this 32 quarter, it has a chance to run up into the 40s today. All right, take care, trade them well. We'll have some more stuff out on social, get some charts, maybe a blog post later today. Look out for the videos on Instagram. Come check us out in the room. If you trade this stuff all the time, you got to come on in. You just have to. You're going to love what you find, and you'll be here a while. Take care, trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.